You've worked with a lot of celebrities also, right?
Mhm.
You work with a lot of them. Who's the most disciplined one when it comes to food?
Shayad,
Shayad is disciplined.
to the T.
Okay.
Like he can eat the same food and he has things in very simple formats. He's not a very fancy guy. If he'll have ragi ka ball, steamed ball, he'll have it every day for lunch for days and months and weeks. And he doesn't get bored. So he is diligent. Even Deepika, very diligent. That's why she is. See, I'll tell you what. People just have awe of celebrities. Okay, but they don't see the hard work these guys do, the boring, monotonous regimes they follow for weeks and months to get that look. It's not just, of course, talent is gifted,
Yeah.
but how they have to look for a
Body.
particular role, they really work hard.
Yeah.
Ishan Khattar, he works so hard to look that look because it means something to them. And all that is hard work. It's not just a magic wand. It's hard work. And that's why they are who they are.
Yeah.
So we aspire to be like them. But if we work as hard as them, we will.
Of course.
We will. You know, because this very interesting theory that I came across that said, looking a particular way, like you said, celebrities like, or losing weight or being healthy or being skinny is rented, not owned.
And the
Okay.
rent is due every day.
जिस माध्यम से आप वो बॉडी के लिए पहुंचे, you have to follow the same route to stay that way.
Yeah.
Okay, it's rented. It's not owned by you. You can't put your feet up and say, cool, done, dusted. अब मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है.
Yeah.
And every celebrity does that as religion. To be who they are, they pay their dues to be who they are,
Yeah.
which is why they shine.
True. Who's the most notorious one? Who do you think is the one who's like, थोड़े दिन करते हैं, थोड़े दिन नहीं करते हैं?
Ranbir, when he started, was naughty. He was like, Pooja, तू मेरा मटन बंद करवा रही है, मैं नहीं सुनने वाला हूँ. He also hated my vegetable juice and said, ये नहीं पीने वाला हूँ. But then a couple of years later, I met Neetu and she's like, Pooja, he doesn't go a day without his vegetable juice. Not a day. I don't know what he's doing today, but yes. So some amount of naughtiness or badmashi is there in everyone.
What's there in vegetable juice which you didn't like?
It's not the best tasting juice, right?
Okay,
So
what is
it's
it?
three
Give me-
colors.
Give me Ranbir Kapoor vegetable juice. I don't know.
It's 3 colors of vegetables. It's any 3 colors of vegetables put into a mixie with a little bit of water. It could be carrot, tomato, beet, spinach, bell peppers, doodhi. Any 3 colors of sabzi in your fridge. Put it into the mixie, little bit of water, blend, strain, put 50% roughage back, nimbu, kala namak, slurp. Yes. It won't taste good one time. It won't taste good 2 times. But like I said, a habit takes 400 attempts
Yeah.
if you make faces and have it, or 10 attempts if you say, I will, and this is going to do me good. It's going to make my skin good. It's going to make my eyesight good. It's going to make my digestion good. It's going to make my bowel movements good. And in 10 tries, you will love the vegetable juice.
Yeah.
So you have to acquire the
Acquire, yeah.
taste. Like the first time someone tastes vodka, they don't like it.
I don't know. But
I'm just
I know
saying.
what it- yeah.
Okay, but pee ke fir pee, we can't stop drinking. Same thing with the vegetable juice. You will start to like.
Yeah, I used to hate my morning juice. Every morning I have the same juice that I drink. Celery, cucumber, beet, spinach, moringa.
So that's a vegetable juice.
Every day I drink that, the same thing.
That's a vegetable juice.
And
it's
now I started liking it. Like now if I don't start with it, my day goes bad that,
something was missing.
yeah, something like why
A
haven't...
good health factor, a good feel-good factor was missing.
It still tastes horrible. But now like my body craves it in the morning, that first thing I need it.
Yeah, because your body likes it. It's not the tastiest thing in the world, but it's giving your body what the body wants. So therefore, you are enjoying it. So that's a perfect glass of vegetable juice. Now, had you put even one fruit in it to make it sweet, I would have said that's not the smartest. But you are doing it just perfect. So that's your glass of vegetable juice.
Yeah,
And
every
see,
day.
you automatically just love it. Because your body needs it. So you are liking it. Goal घुमा के आप कोई भी problem पकड़ लो. The solution is the same. Of course,
Protein, exercise, sleep, right food, and
no, that's what.
Water.
That's what I was saying. No, we didn't do the last one, which is target nutrient. So for every purpose, there is one target nutrient that will have to be focused on. For example, for bloating, it's salt. That's the target nutrient. For anxiety, depression, it's magnesium. For better sugar balance while you're diabetic, it could be chromium piconolate. For better immunity, it could be zinc. For better lesser blocked sinuses, it could be curcumin and vitamin C. For lesser inflammation, it could be omega-3s. So there will be a target nutrient that can change. So as long as the basic diet is taken care of, then you give that one target nutrient for one specific purpose. And you can help that. That's the target nutrient.
थैंक यू सो मच ये क्लिप एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको और भी ऐसी क्लिप्स देखनी है तो राज शमानी क्लिप्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए.